very interested in bipolar disorder particularly. Had it myself, found out recently. But on the right meds and therapy, it's quite easily treatable. It's just scary that a lot of people don't know or don't feel empowered enough to seek treatment for themselves. And there's a lot of scary things I've been hearing, so I'd like to, with my own experience, change some stuff. Yeah. It took me 6 years from my first, when I first had depression. So it's just scary how much needs to change, and really have to. Well, it's up to us really. So yeah.